Hello again, and welcome back. Have you ever wondered how Copilot can help you work faster in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central? Whether it's simplifying how you find information about customers or getting quick insights about your data, Copilot brings AI directly into your daily workflow. In this video, I'll show you how Copilot is integrated into Business Central and how it can help you navigate and understand your system more efficiently. Let's take a look. Here on the Role Center page, you can see the familiar Business Central interface with your favorites, navigation menu, and the action bar at the top of the screen. In the top right corner, you'll notice the Copilot icon. When you select this icon, Copilot opens a panel on the right side of the screen. From here, you can interact with Copilot by asking questions or requesting information about your business data. Copilot can also suggest things you might want to explore. For example, you could ask it to find your top-selling item or ask for help performing a task in the system. If you're unsure how to create a sales order or if you're facing an issue or error in Business Central, Copilot can guide you through the steps. Let's try a simple request. I'm going to ask Copilot to show me my top customer. Copilot analyzes the available data and identifies the customer with the highest activity. In this case, the top customer is Adatum Corporation. We can see details such as the current outstanding balance and the main contact for that customer. From here, I can select the customer and open the full customer card directly in Business Central. You'll notice that the Copilot chat remains visible on the right side, so you can continue asking questions while reviewing the record. Now, let's try another example. I'll ask Copilot to show the item with the highest inventory available. Copilot searches through the system and returns the item with the largest quantity on hand. In this case, it's the whole roasted beans from Brazil. We can see the item number and the quantity currently available in inventory. Just like before, I can select the item to open the item card and view or update additional details. These are just a couple of examples of how Copilot can help you quickly access information and navigate Business Central more efficiently. Microsoft continues to expand Copilot's capabilities, making it easier every day to gain insights and work smarter with your business data. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.